Okay.
Guys, let's wait for a few more minutes. Guys, let's wait 4 more minutes. Let's start at 7:10. Okay, Nasir, shall we start the meeting?
Yes, Akshay.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So, good morning, everyone. Is my screen visible?
Yes, Akshay.
Sorry, good evening, everyone. I said good morning, my bad. So, let me introduce myself. This is Akshay Marial from Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College as well. I am from second year, fourth semester, a CSC department student. So, welcome you all for the first event of this tenor. So, you people might be mainly first year folks don't know what is GDSC. In fact, we have promoted GDSC in their class as well, but we didn't got any sufficient amount of time. So first let's know about GDSC. What is GDSC? GDSC is nothing but Google Developer Students Club, which helping students bridge their gap between theory and practical. So here Google Developer Student Club are community group for college and university students interested in Google Developer technologies. Students from all undergraduate or graduate programs with an interest in growing as a developer are welcome. So, by joining a GDSC, students grow their knowledge in a peer to peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and their community. So, here I spoke something about Google developer technologies. So, Google have developed many technologies, but Google developer is made us for uh, learning a few technologies that we are talking about. So, the few technologies are Google Cloud. So last year we have Google Cloud GDSC from 3 years as well. So last year we have learned about Google Cloud. That is, Google Cloud offers a range of computing services. So what are the services are offered by Google Cloud? Google Cloud is offering compute engine, Google Kubernetes engine, app engine, cloud functions, and cloud run. So mainly Cloud is very useful things you will be get to know in your future, as this year we have Google Cloud 2 as well. So next we will come to Flutter. Basically Flutter is a platform and the language which is used in Flutter is Dart. So this is also developed by Google itself. So Google Flutter is a Google's portable UI kit for building beautiful multi-platform applications. So here multi-platform applications, what do you mean by multi-platform applications? So mainly if you people want to create an Android app, you people need Java and JavaScript, or you people can also make an Java with Python. We can make with different languages as well. But Flutter, what is the USP of Flutter? The code which we will use the language Dart in the platform of Flutter uses multi-platform applications which support iOS platform, Android platform, web application platform, Windows, Mac, Linux, and it is also used in embedded chip, but surprisingly from a single code base. So now, what is the targets of our team? Why GDSC is there in Guru Nanak Dev Engineering College as well, and what we are targeting, and what are our targets? So in the GDSC, that is Google Developer Student Club, there are two main functions, that is core team and the team who joins the chapter. we don't differ this both team, but we have divided the responsibilities between two teams. That is core team, which is us. We will be notified by the Google to conduct a specific event in certain period of time. Google will be in touch with us, Google companies will be in touch with us, and they will be giving us a specific events per time. For example, now Compose is there. Compose camping will be of 1 month. Android will be next. Cloud will be of 1 month. Flutter will be of 1.5 month. So they have their certain time. So they will be providing us a specific event where to perform, what to perform. They will be providing us complete documentation. They will be providing us every platform. They will be providing us GCP, that is Google Cloud Program. So it is not free of cost, but in the Google developer program they will be giving us a free of cost for certain period of time, that is 1 month or maybe 2 months. So these events have to be conducted in accordance with the rules and have to meet deadlines of the event. So when I speak the deadline and rules, they are Nasir will be explaining about it. Now we are here for Compass campaign. So Nasir is facilitator and Nimra is co-facilitator for this campaign. So they will be explaining you the rules of Compass campaign and deadline, what is the deadline, when it gets started, everything Nasir and Nimra will be explaining you. So besides this, we can plan to conduct other tech events on our own. For example, let's say now the Compose camping has been hosted. You don't know anything about Compose camping, that is on basics of Android. For Android, you should learn Kotlin languages. Of course, if Java and JavaScript is there, it's good, but you should learn Kotlin languages. So if you people don't know what is Compose, if Nasir is explaining everything, he is very good at that. But if you have some doubts, some people have to be step back for the basic interface, then we can be doing that beyond the Google, and that will be not awarded by the Google, that will be not recognized by the Google, that's it. So there should be at least one project done by a team by the end of the tenure, such that it help either the community or college. Suppose you people are 40 members here, as I can see 44. So if you people go beyond this, you people can reach us and you people can say that yeah, we are just Compose is very difficult for us, we want to learn Kotlin, and we are there, I want to explain the Kotlin to everyone, then okay, you can just approach us, we will be helping you. So you people can make a team and you people can just teach the people of the college. So it can be help either community or either the college as well. So mainly this is our team structure, that is the thing. But core team, we are talking about core team. So we have social media designing team, tech team, content writing team, management team, and event management as well. So basically why I am saying this to you people, as we want 20 people in our core team and we have already 12 people. So we will be recruiting 8 people after your exams. First year and second year folks have exams now. So after that we will be recruiting you people. So based on your interest, already some students have directly approached us for the GDSC. Some students have filled the form of the recruitment form, they have filled it. So this will be the recruitment form will be active after the exams as well. So we have divided into this we have divided our responsibilities into 5 different teams, that is you can see on the screen. So lastly, what are the responsibility of core team you have been seen. Now the responsibility of GDSC members who join the chapter, that are you people. So you people have some responsibility, that is producing the host of ideas. We are coming with the Android, we are coming with the cloud, we are coming with the Flutter as well, we are coming with the TensorFlow and AI and ML as well. We have new branch in our campus, that is AI and ML. You folks are the part of that branch. You folks will be taking the CS computer science and engineering department, you will be taking over them, and you people will be just best in the college. So you people should be bring a host of ideas to us. We will say, we will teach you the language, we will teach you the interface, we will provide you the systems if you don't have anything. So we will be supporting everything, just the ideas should be bring, that is by yourself only. So now selecting the best ones and make awareness about it. Java and JavaScript are the best one, Kotlin is also the best one, but which is the best of the best one? Google is saying Kotlin is best for Android. That is not saying Java is not best. Google is saying Kotlin is best for Android, and they will be providing awareness into them. So you people have to be doing that. Now just Compose camping, it is hosted for 1 month. You should not keep quiet after the 1 month. You people should be stick to it. You people should bring the ideas. You people should just make the awareness for your juniors as well who are coming in October, for everything. So we, this is role and responsibility of you people. So now we have spoke about Google Cloud and Flutter as well, but we didn't spoke anything about Android because I want to say it at last. So Android, last year we learned Android, that Kotlin, we have introduced a language last year in our college, that is Kotlin. Why Kotlin for Android? Yes, Java and JavaScript, Python, C is also C. We can make Android app based on the C language, that is very base language to every language. C is the base language for every language. So why only Kotlin? We have learned that. So now this year we have came with Jetpack Compose. What is the Jetpack Compose? Is it necessary for Android, or we will be skipping the YAML files, or Jetpack Compose and Kotlin together coming, and they will be take over Java, JavaScript in the new industry, software industry? So what is the future? So I want Nasir to help me about this, help the folks about this. So over to you, Nasir.
Yeah, thank you, Akshay. Let me share my screen. Akshay, is it visible?
Yeah, visible.
Yeah, thank you. Hey, hi everyone. Good evening. Welcome to the first session of the Jetpack Compose, which is organized by the Google Developer Students Club, GNDEC Bidar. So, before going to the in deep, let's talk about the leaders, camp leaders. My name is Mohammad Nasir, and I am your facilitator for the Jetpack Compose program throughout the session. And I am a final year student from the Electronics and Communication Engineering branch, and I will be guiding you about the Jetpack Compose, how to start with, and what is Jetpack Compose, and why Jetpack Compose, and from where to learn, and everything. And throughout the session, Jetpack Compose campaign, one more person will be there to help me as a co-facilitator. She is Nimra Mubin. And if you have any doubts or you stuck anywhere in learning these tracks and all, you can approach me, Nimra, or other core team member who are well trained about this campaign. Now, let's get started with the compose. Before going to the compose, can anyone tell what is compose? Do you have any idea before this? Yes, anyone? Okay, no problem. We will learn everything here. uh, Firstly, this is a all introduction section. So here we will discuss about what we will going to learn this. We are organizing more 4 sessions after this. So in that we will cover each and everything from the scratch, from the beginning. So you have to listen this session so you can have an idea on upcoming session. So let's coming to the compose. Jetpack Compose is a new way of UI design. Yes, in single line I can say Jetpack Compose is a new way of UI design. So previously when we used to develop Android app, we write code in XML files. I think most of people familiar with that. Yeah, previously when we used to develop Android app, we write code in XML file. Now we are shifting to the Compose. Why? Jetpack Compose is a completely written in Kotlin. So we will learn Kotlin from the scratch in upcoming our sessions. And Jetpack Compose is modern toolkit, which is designed to simply you making an UI development, and it is combiningly reactive programming model. So using the power of Kotlin and the functions of the compass, combining these two, we can make responsive and animated UI designs in Android development. So it is fully declarative, means you can declare or describe your UI by calling the series of functions that transform data into the UI forms. Means just calling the functions in Android in Kotlin, we can compose UI in very smooth way without like previously XML files calling, writing long code in XML file. Instead of that, we are just calling the functions which are easy to learn and operate with. From nowadays, if we want to build app in Jetpack Compose, we are just going. We are no more need to write XML files and long code and all. Instead of that, we are just call the functions which are written in Kotlin, pure Kotlin. So, what are composable functions? They are just regular functions marked with the composable notations. Like we are familiar with different languages of functions. That same function here also we are using, just calling the function, declaring function, and calling later when we are required that. Yeah, Jetpack Compose also supports the MVVM. Anyone knows MVVM in Android development? Any idea about MVVM? No.
No.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, MVVM is model view model. What is mean is, which means now it's very easier us to organize code in a smaller chunks plus composable functions like writing long code and storing in a file, only file. Instead of that, we are writing small code in a form of chunks so that we can easily use that in easily use that as a file to uh, to call UI. Yeah, we can create composable UI element and just simply reuse them in other places or share them with open source community where we can distribute that course to anyone can use them in their projects, right? So now coming to the why Jetpack Compose, why Google launched this when we are writing good code and apps are already making using XML file. So easy, it's USP of the Jetpack Compose is it use less code. Yes, it use less code. Do more with less code and avoid entire classes of bugs. Code is simpler and easy to maintain. Like it is when we write whole code in a small chunks and we use very less code so that it easy to maintain. Right. This is one of the good uh, practice to enter in Android developments for the beginner. And intuitive is just declare your UI. Rest of the thing, Compose itself it can do. Like apps are state their change automatically as you declare what you want to do in Android Studio. Okay, there are very functions are there of Android Studio. We will discuss about that in our upcoming session, how to download and how to install them, Android Studio and all everything. Just uh, just be with us continually and accelerate development. It's compatible with all your existing code, so you can adopt when and where you want. Iterate fast with live preview and full Android Studio support. And it Jetpack Compose is very powerful. It's very powerful. Create beautiful apps with direct access of Android platform APIs and built-in support of material design and dark theme animation and many more. And one more best thing about the Jetpack Compose is you write whole code in just single language, that is Kotlin. From the scratch, we will learn that Kotlin in our next session. And it's everything we will write in single programming language, that is Kotlin. It is very powerful compared to the Flutter and JavaScript and other languages. So one of the good practice to start with the Jetpack Composes, these are the reasons. And now let's see the program overview. What are the program overview and what we will learn in these sessions. And we will discuss about what you guys are going to learn and what are the prerequisites you need to know and what we will cover in this whole program. There are two tracks beginning for the freshers. If you are fresher, you don't know any programming language till now and you don't have any experience of programming, no worry, you can start with the beginning from here and you can learn Android development from the scratch. And second track is intermediate, who is already know some programming language or familiar with Android development work in Android development, he can switch directly XML to the Jetpack Compose very easily. Let's start with the beginning tracks for the beginners. In beginner tracks, this track is for people who are new to Android development, whether they have programming experience or not, or any previously work or not. No matter. Just they want to know prerequisites are they know just basic computer literacy, which input output operations of computer, how it works, what is computer, that's it. And some basic mathematical skill for the operations like uh, mathematical operation we are required in Kotlin, and programming language like Kotlin basics we will discuss in later sessions. How to build Android app UI using Compose, and best practice for the modern Android development using Kotlin. Now, my co-facilitator Nimra will be take over the session, and she will guide you how to complete this course, what to do in these 4 sessions, and she will take you through everything. Yeah, Nimra, it's over to you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Nimra. I am a final year student from CSE department. I'm your co-facilitator throughout your session. Me and Nasir will be guiding you about the Jetpack Compose. I'll be talking about the learning pathways. There are total 4 units in it: Unit 1, Unit 2, Unit 3, and Unit 4. In Unit 1, we will learn about the introduction to Kotlin, setup of Android Studio, building a basic layout. In Introduction to Kotlin, we will learn introductory programming concept to prepare Android apps using Kotlin. Then we will install and set up our Android Studio to create our own first project. Also, we will learn how to run it on our device or our emulator. After that, we will learn creating our very own birthday card app with the help of our basic layouts. Likewise, in Unit 2, we will learn more fundamentals of the Kotlin, along with that object-oriented programming and lambdas. Then we will learn how to add a button and how the button will respond on clicking it in the Android app. Also, we'll create a tip calculator app that will calculate the tip from user input. Now moving on to the next unit, that is Unit 3. We will learn additional Kotlin programming concepts that will enable you to build more and functioning and interesting apps. We will also build a scrollable list of text and images, which will help us all to create a more beautiful and intuitive app. And it will help us in designing and animation purpose also. Moreover, in Unit 4, we will also learn about the architecture and how we use the view models, state UI and state flow to build more complex apps. Also, we will learn how to use navigation component to build more complex apps with more screens, and how to navigate and pass data between different composables. And we can also adapt for different screen sizes in order to test our adaptive UI and to provide a better user experience. And moving to the next slide, we'll learn how to navigate in the course. For people who are beginners, we have to go through the Unit 1, 2, and 3. But for people with programming experience, you can skip all these 3 units and go for Unit 4. Over here, you can work through the remaining pathways in each unit in order to learn the Android concepts. Moving on to the next slide, over here we'll be talking about our quizzes and our badges. Apart from all of this, we have quiz and badges. These badges will help you achieve your badges on your Google developer profile. And if any one of you have any doubts, you can approach me or Nasir or any of our core team members. We will definitely help you out to clear your doubts.
Yes,
Thank you.
guys.
Over to you, Nasir.
Yeah, guys. In this session, you will earn some badges. Like you can show off them badges in your social medias and LinkedIn and all. Every badge, after every unit, there will be a quiz. So you have to complete this quiz. There are 10 questions in every quiz. So after every completion of the quiz, you will receive one badge. I will show you the badges.
You people
Akshay,
can
can
check
you?
the yeah, I have sent your profile link in the chat, so everybody can just watch it in the comment section box.
Yeah, yeah. And I will you can go through that link. I will show you how to start with the tracks. Akshay, can you share that screen?
Sure, 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 sure.
Jetpack Compose tracks.
Sure,
My
sure.
network is not there.
One sec. Is the screen visible, Nasir?
Yes, Akshay. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the units, like first unit Android app and building UI, and in third and fourth they are like displaying list, use material, design, navigation, app architecture. In every unit, Akshay, can you open explore the first unit?
Yeah.
Yeah, in first unit there are three pathways. In first, just introduction to Kotlin, all basic of Kotlin. Yeah, and after completing this first pathway, you have total 6 activities. Everything about the Kotlin basics. After that completion of Android Kotlin, you will receive one quiz competition. There are total 10 questions. Like here, take a quiz. Yeah, there are these are 10 questions. After completing this, you just have to clear 8 out of 10. You have to clear 8 questions so that you will earn one badge. After that, second pathway, that is Android Studio download and setup. Here we will show in our next session how to download, how to set up, how to start with Android Studio. Here also same, there are 10 quiz questions, and you have to complete that more than 7. You will receive a badge, and you can share in your LinkedIn's and all. Every unit has 3 to 4 pathways. You have to complete each and every pathways to complete this course, and it's, believe me, it's very precisely written document. You can easily learn Android development from the scratch just reading the documents. That much it easy. We will discuss this in our upcoming sessions from second session onwards, downloading Android Studio and everything, every pathways, learning coding, Kotlin and everything. So if anyone has any doubt regarding Compose and how to start with this, you can ask.
If you people have any types of the doubts, you can ask in any of the languages. We will sort out your doubts now. So let me say one thing before the doubt session. When we started the session, there were 44 people. Now there are 34 people. So that's why I am waiting for my turn for saying that what is the exciting thing at the last. We will have 4 to 5 sessions. So at the last, what Nasir and Nimra are doing, I want to share this at the last. That's why. So is my screen visible, Nasir?
No, Akshay. Yeah, now.
Now it's visible. So anybody can guess what it is? Any of the contestants, you can just comment in the you can just reply in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and say.
Digital watch.
Yeah, it's Wear OS. See, Android is not a thing which can be run in phone. It can be run in cars. It can be run in Wear OS. That is nothing but watches. It can be run in earpods. That is, Google is launching its own earbuds. So we have created a virtual machine called this Wear OS, in which we will be going to run this app, we will be going to run an app using Jetpack Compose or Flutter. We can do it. Both are same, both have same widgets, both have same interface. We just want to change the platform from Android Studio to Flutter if we want. See, this is the VRS we have been created. It's very easy. See, we have created a virtual machine for Google Pixel also. You can see the code behind that phone in the laptop as well. So guys, just I want to say that it will be a very interesting session at the last. At the last, it will be very interesting. So in the next session, Nasir and Imra will be teaching us how to set up Android Studio, what is the basic of Kotlin, just loops, for loops, etc. That nothing is more difficult, and it's very easy. Kotlin is very easy, damn easy. And coming to the Jetpack Compose, we have to remember a few widgets, name of the widgets for my class. Example, my class needs name of widgets, it is not an class. So scaffold is there, and another which called puff, it is a puff which is there. So we have many of the widgets. When we will practice it, we will definitely we will get remembered to them. So we have already virtual machine. Creating a virtual machine is not a big thing, every small kid can do it. So running an app in that Wear OS needs basic knowledge of things. So if you people are going with Java, if you people are having these coordinates, and you people will be putting the line on the bottom, and the up will be coloring of the black, and behind that it will be green, that is okay. But this Jetpack Compose have a special feature that it can illustrate itself if the state of app changes. That is, if you change your application from mobile to Wear OS, that is watch, or that application if you change it to car tab, in the car the monitor is there na? If you change it to them, then automatically the app will be adjust itself. All the widgets will be adjusted, all the flows will be adjusted, so all the drop downs, all the dates, all the border lines will be adjusting itself. So that is the main focus of the Google. So making a single application as Google made na, Google Cloud. If you people have been if you people will take new phone, you will just have to enter your email ID. Everything will be automatically done. Your phone numbers, your photos, Google Photos backup, and your videos will be coming on. Everything will be coming on. So that is about Google, what it is concentrating. The single base code will be just, it will be magic. It will be magic. You with the single code, you can just take it to your phone, tab, Wear OS, in the cars, everything. So it will be an interesting campaign. Just remember me. At last, how many people will be there? Only they will be awarded with some swags and goodies if they will be submitting the app. So Nasir, just say what is the milestone for you, these people, what is the creating our app, or they have to be just answer 10 questions out of 9. So just say what is your plan to them.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. Like Akshay said, there are some special rewards also other than the uh, badges and all. We will see who are doing creating an app. um, like there is something called app submission at the end. So if you have any teamwork or individual, if you created an app and submitted to us, and you will reach out to us if you have any idea, and we can do it. So for those people, we will reward as some goodies, that is surprise for you at the end session, who will stay till end. So like I will show you now. I got the reward session. Yeah, Akshay, is my screen visible?
No, Nasir, still not.
Now?
Yeah, now it's visible.
Yeah, yeah, you guys can see here. These are the badges you receive after every quiz. For like ESC, created your developer profile, one batch, completing code labs and all, introduction to Kotlin, test learning pathways and quiz, Android Studio use. Like every unit, you will receive some badges. So these are very weighable badges. You can use this everywhere.
So basically, if I am the interviewer here and Nasir is coming for the interview, so Nasir will be providing my his resume to me, and in that resume it will be a link. So if I tap the link, so I get to know that Nasir has created his own developer profile. Nasir is a member of GDSC. He has joined the chapter. He has introduced his Kotlin program into his career, and he knows Android Studio user. He has a batch of Android Studio user, and it is from Google. So I don't want then I will not ask any questions about Android Studio because Google has certified him already. Google has satisfied him. So I don't ask any questions. So the weightage of Nasir compared to his colleagues when an interview will be increased very much. So you people also can see like here, wait, let me show. Is my screen is visible, Nasir, now?
Yes, sir.
See, this is my resume. Means it's a very simple resume. It's very simple resume. If I send to someone, so they will be just looking at what it is, complete Google camping one, what it is, what have Akshay done. So they will be just opening this link. They will be saying cloud. Okay, Akshay has been built a secure network. Is it visible, Nasir? Zoom.
Yes, Akshay.
Yeah, Akshay has been built secure network. Akshay know how to deploy Kubernetes engine. Akshay know set up and configure how to set up and configure Google Cloud environment. So Akshay have a good knowledge of Google Cloud. They will be getting to know. So you people don't be just silent as the batch has no importance, GDS has no importance. So it has been very bad talks about these technical student, about CS department student, that code is not important. जस्ट मार्क्स ठीक है, बाकी कोडिंग नहीं आया तो भी चलेगा, बैठ के कुछ कर लेंगे. दैट इज़ अ वेरी बैड थिंग. सी IT जॉब, it will be very easy to get 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees job, but coder, tester and front end developer, back end, they have very big future. They have very big future. They should have very abundance of knowledge. If you people have only Java, that is not sufficient. If you people have only Python, that is not efficient. So you people have to be experienced in all aspects as well. All aspects. So I am concluding this meeting here. So if you people have any of the doubts, just you can ask now.
आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में पूछो, लैंग्वेज इज नॉट अ बैरियर. आपको कुछ भी डाउट रहा कंपास के बारे में, कॉटलिन के बारे में, या फिर एनीथिंग, यू कैन आस्क.
जुनैद, कुछ डाउट है क्या आपको?
नो ब्रो.
लाइक ये सेशन, ये प्रोग्राम ना टिल अक्टूबर 8 तक रहेगा. इसमें सब कुछ हम कवर करेंगे, एंड एट द एंड बिफोर अक्टूबर 8 यू हैव टू सबमिट द ऐप.
हम लोग ना बेसिकली टीम बनाएंगे नासिर. हम लोग टीम बनाएंगे 5-5 लोगों का एक टीम को VROs
डेफिनेटली उनको टीम बना के
उनका ही ऐप सबमिट करेंगे. हम थोड़ा हेल्प करेंगे उनके लिए, जो भी ऐसा है. थोड़ा 4 सेशन में थोड़ा करके जाएंगे. पहले तो फ्रंट एंड करेंगे, फिर बैक एंड करेंगे, फिर अच्छा उनको करके सबमिट करने लगेंगे.
राइट, वही जो भी इंटरेस्ट बताया गया. इवन एग्जाम्स भी है ना उनके.
Yeah, after the exams we will, of course we will do it after the exams only. So when the first year folks exams will be over, no, started this 13th one. कब ख़त्म होंगे अर्पिता? आपके एग्जाम्स कब ख़त्म होंगे?
Up to I think 30th of September it will be finished.
So we have 8 days.
Okay.
We have 8 days. So from परसों से आपके एग्जाम्स चालू है. ओके. सो एनीबडी हैज़ डाउट्स? आई एम आस्किंग अगेन. किसी को कुछ भी डाउट हो तो बेझिझक बोलो, या कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर दो. अपने चैट बॉक्स में है जो है ना, उनको बोल दो. हम लोग खुद ब खुद क्वेश्चन समझेंगे और सॉल्व भी कर देंगे.
इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट अगर कंपास आ गया तो एक्सएमएल फाइल से जो भी आप बना रहे हो वो बंद हो जाएगा. नहीं, वो पैरेलली वो चलते रहेगा. एक कंपास न्यू है, स्टार्टिंग के लिए ओपन है गूगल की तरफ से, तो कोई भी स्टार्ट कर सकेगा. ये एक अलग ही पाथ है और इजी पाथ है कंपेयर टू एक्सएमएल फाइल. राइटिंग लॉन्ग कोड, देन कॉलिंग फंक्शंस इन अ स्मॉल कोड, चंक्स ऑफ कोड. तो इजी रहेगा स्टार्ट करने के लिए एंड्रॉइड.
So I think nobody have doubt. If in future if someone have doubt, just मैसेज दे विल बी मैसेजिंग इन अस अपडेट्स ग्रुप में किसी भी एक एडमिन को मैसेज कर दो. आर टीम विल बी रीच आउट टू यू पीपल. और उम्मीद करते हैं आपसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा हमको आगे. हमसे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. गूगल से हम दोनों को सीखने को मिलेगा. हम दोनों से गूगल को सीखने को मिलेगा. सबको बहुत कुछ सीखना मिलेगा. ओके, सो आपको आगे कभी तो डाउट है तो या. सो लेट मी आस्क वन मोर क्वेश्चन. कितने लोगों ने हमारा चैप्टर जो है, कितने लोगों ने हमारा चैप्टर को फॉलो किया है, ज्वाइन किया है अभी तक? So I am leaving a link in the chat box. Just join our chapter. So you will be updated in everything. मतलब आपको मेल आएंगे, हम लोग कुछ भी करे आएगा. आप लोगों को अगर हमें रिक्रूट करना है तो उसमें भी हेल्प करेगा हमको. So everybody just join our chapter and let's conclude the meeting here. Nasir.
Yes, Akshay.
Yeah, Nimra, do you want to say something?
No, किसी को कोई डाउट है तो आप अभी भी पूछ सकते हो. We are always here to help you out.
ओके, सो आई वांट टू अनाउंस वन थिंग. बहुत पहले बोलना था ये मीटिंग के स्टार्टिंग में. सो आर एक्स लीड स्नेहा प्रभु हु पास आउट दिस who pass out at 2021 year, so she is also here. She is monitoring us everywhere, so she will be also helping you people. So Sneha, do you want to say something?
It's very shocking that you talked about me.
No, I just want to
was
see,
not expecting this.
basically I want to say one more thing.
It just came on my.
She is the first person from the college who was who was aware about this GDSC. So she has been just gone to principal sir. She have been struggled a lot for bringing our GDSC into our campus, and it is helping many of the students. See, Nasir has got the internship and training, so he is also very busy. But in that busy schedule, Nimra, you also been part of internship and training, na?
Yes.
Yeah, so basically these both students are very busy. We have also exams, but everyone is just contributing someone to someone in something to this GDSC community. So just आपको इम्पोर्टेंस से भी आगे समझ में आएगा. So स्नेहा दीदी जो थी, स्टार्टिंग प्रिंसिपल सर को बोल किया, सीनियर्स को बोल के, सब लोगों को जमा करके कोर टीम रेडी करके जो है GDSC इंट्रोड्यूस किया था कॉलेज में. उसके बाद एक्स लीड प्रभाकर कुलकर्णी वो बने, तो हमें एक्सपीरियंस था कि भाई प्रभाकर वॉज द लीड एंड स्नेहा वॉज द एक्स लीड. सो वी हैव एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ दिस बोथ. नाउ दे लेफ्ट अस अलोन. दे पास्ड आउट दिस ईयर ओनली 2021 from the college. So now we are just happy that they are monitoring us. That's it. हमको उतना ही चाहिए. They are mentoring us.
Yep. Yeah, you are doing great. So anyone like others, make sure you take benefit of anything which is in the college, like the students and your seniors.
They are just
And
stressed
us.
out. कल उनका
हाँ.
एक्सटर्नल है फिजिक्स लैब का, थोड़े बच्चों का पीसाइकल का, फिर परसों से एग्जाम ही चालू है उनको.
अच्छा तभी नहीं आए क्या? नहीं तो हमारे में ज्यादा आते हैं ना.
हाँ, that's what. And the students are not present in the college as well. That's why we didn't go for in-class promotions as well. And we have not done orientation as well because बहुत है अभी, टाइम बहुत कम है. Exams also थे.
Okay. अरे let's end the call. Congrats Nasir, Nimra. अच्छा था.
Sure. So everyone, let's conclude this meeting and bye.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Bye.